It was challenging, busy working, but it was good. It was rewarding at the same time. Now we are arriving at a stage where you feel that private sector see that it's possible, it's doable. And I think the remaining task is for the new chairman and his team to build on that confidence, on that belief, which is really a good base, because before it was almost a dream, and now we see that the dream can be reality. So we have started, and I think the upcoming committee will build on that. And Made in Rwanda campaign. And in Rwanda we started, led by the government, together with the Ministry of Trade and RDB, the Made in Rwanda program. I think it's 3 or 4 years ago that we started it. But now when we see where we are today, I think there are a lot of things to be proud of.
I'm a businessman for more than 20 years. I'm in different sectors of business. I'm in transport, I'm in real estate, hospitality. My running for this position is very clear. I want to support the private sector federation. I want to support my fellow business people to do business in a better way and in a compliance way, and to have a proper and clear relationship with the international community, business community. The priorities, we have to accomplish what they have not accomplished. We are aware there are a lot of things which are in the pipeline. We must accomplish well. And on top of it, we are focusing ourselves on the vision, completion of Vision 20, and the continuation of Vision 50, plus the 7-year government program, or development program.